Welcome to another Agile Ticketing Solutions video tutorial. Today we will be going over how to edit customer information in AMS. In AMS, click on the customer icon at the top of the screen to search for your customer that needs to be edited. You can do it based on a keyword search, last name, first name search. Once you've selected your customer, you're going to click on the customer number at the top of the screen, or you can click on the Edit Customer icon. In the General tab, you can make changes to the customer's contact information, as well as any answers to the customer question prompt. You can add additional addresses, phone numbers, and answer any questions that might be associated with the customer record. You can also upload and add a customer image. To learn more about customer images, click on the eye in the top right corner. You can also add notes about the customer in the note field. Once you've made your changes in the General tab area, go ahead and hit Apply. The Related tab allows you to add customers that need to be associated with this customer record to complete a household, such as a husband, a child, etc. Click on the plus sign up at the top of the screen, and then click on the magnifying glass to search for the customer record. You can select the customer record, or if that customer that needs to be associated with this record is not in the system, you can click on Add New to create a brand new record. Once I've got the correct customer ID, I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and now this person is actually associated with this customer's household record. Once you have all of the related customers in this customer record, go ahead and hit Apply to save the information, and then go on to your next tab. The Membership tab allows you to manage a customer's membership. You are able to manually edit a member's expiration date, as well as additional member benefits. Web Login is the tab where you'll create and manage the customer's login information. They can also create this online when they log in for the first time, but you can also add the login yourself. You'll enter in the username, password, confirm the password, and there are security questions that they can answer as well. The security question allows them to go in and answer specific questions that allows the system then to generate a password reset. The Touchpoints tabs allows you to add and manage touchpoint tasks for a specific customer that you can then assign to a staff member. Click the eye icon in the corner to learn more about touchpoints. Account Benefits tab is where you will be able to manage any benefits associated with this customer's account. To add a new benefit, right-click and hover over New, and then select the type of benefit for this customer. To edit an existing benefit, right-click on the benefit and select Properties. And you can adjust any of the benefits that are associated with this record. The Notes tab is where you can add internal notes about this customer. The Operator Notice checkbox tells the system that when this customer record is pulled by any of your sales associates, that a message will pop up and appear to your staff, such as, "This is a board member. Please pay special attention to him." Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or need more information, check out our knowledge base at agiletix.com/knowledge, or you can contact us at support@agiletix.com.